But when the series came to the Forum, Laker fans had their own set of unexpected heroes. Kurt Rambis is the working class of the NBA. And in the third game, his coach, Pat Riley, said he was decisive.
He established an aggressive posture for us at the beginning of the game with the way he played, and it was contagious for our players. That's his job. That's his role. And that in itself is a talent. Hustle is a talent.
Rambis's rebounding and scoring sparked the Laker fast break. And in front of the hometown fans, L.A. went on a roll and ran the Celtics ragged.
Hey, come on, this is right here with the sign. Let's stay together.
The 1981 playoff MVP had not looked good against his Laker rival.
Mac, throw some glasses now.
Hey, no, I can't put on the Kurt Rambis glass. No, I think Kurt Rambis fake nose too. Let me see, how does the Rambis glasses go?
As you see the great crowd reaction.
You see Reed get the ball in the air. Now, they were complaining that it didn't hit the glass, but a good play by Rambis to keep the 24-second clock from expiring and then getting the catch. And you see Dick Carter say, hey, don't give anybody a chance to say we didn't win. Let's get out of here. You'll see the bench react along with the coach.
And the call was absolutely right. The ball was in play. The 24-second clock had been recycled. And the basket counted. It came with a half second remaining.